Hello everyone, welcome all to my channel Kerala Herbal Care. All of us love roses. Roses are beautiful and classic flowers that have captivated people for centuries. Today let's see some simple caring tips and tricks to grow rose plants. Rose is a plant that requires at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight for the plant to be healthy, free of disease and for heavy blooms. Plant your rose in a sunny location. Morning sun is very important because it dries the leaves, which helps to prevent disease. You cannot expect flower without sunlight. Roses love rich soil, but they also need well draining soil. You can use 40% of your garden soil, 40% of sand and 20% of organic compost. You can also use dry cow dung at the time of potting. I use the compost made from the vegetable waste and decayed plant leaf molds, and these are all good compost. Proper soil preparation for planting roses is very important. Always select a pot that contains good drainage hole so that the extra water comes out, or else the root of the plant will get rot and the plant will slowly die. If your pot does not have a proper drainage hole, you can expand it by using a hammer and a chisel and make it bigger. Fill the bottom of the pot with broken bricks, small stones or pebbles, and then only fill the pot for planting. Fertilizer is very important. Fertilize them regularly to get more blooms. You can also use banana peels, eggshell and use tea leaf from your kitchen waste as an organic manure. You can dry all this, sun dry, powder it and use them. You can also grind and make a paste and apply it to the soil. This you can give once in 12 days. Banana peel is rich in phosphorus, which is very helpful for more flowers. When you powder the eggshell and apply, calcium is released, which is helpful for all around growth of the plant. Tea leaves are rich in nitrogen content and they are excellent source of nutrient for plants. This is one of the excellent fertilizer to get more flowers. Check on your rose plant regularly for any signs of disease or pests like aphids, mealybugs, whiteflies, etc. For this kind of pest, you can mix neem oil with few drops of dishwash solution and can use this as a spray. Spray it weekly once. For fungal disease, use any fungicide, or else you can make a paste of neem leaf with garlic. Mix it with water, filter and spray this solution, which is very helpful for fungal attack. Finally, deadhead and clean your rose plant. Get rid of the spent flowers. By deadheading, you can get more flowers. Pruning of rose plant is very important. By pruning or trimming, it gets more branches and hence more flowers. Thank Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment.